Describing people's appearance using advanced vocabulary. Let's begin. Hi, my name is Sarah. In this video, let's explore advanced level vocabulary that allows you to describe individuals at different stages of life. It's common for people to employ basic terms like tall, short, well-built, blonde, or blue-eyed when discussing appearances. However, how can we use C1 or even C2 level vocabulary to provide more nuanced descriptions? Today, I'll introduce 4 distinct characters, each representing a different life stage. Mia embodies youth. Kaydyn signifies the teenage years. Michelle epitomizes adulthood. And James characterized the retirement stage. Each stage boasts unique characteristics, and therefore the vocabulary used to depict them varies. To make your learning experience more engaging and contextualized, I've assigned each character a special focus. This approach will enhance your vocabulary acquisition. I hope you find these character profiles beneficial. Let's start with Mia, shall we? Meet Mia. One can't help but notice the enchanting presence of young Mia. Her complexion is perpetually rosy-cheeked, and her innocent-looking visage exudes an undeniable charm, with expressive eyes that seem to sparkle with the very essence of imagination. Mia's whimsical hair adds an extra layer of playfulness to her appearance. Her petite build mirrors her energetic spirit, making her a young artist ready to conquer the world with her boundless creativity. Now, let's explore the words we've used to describe Mia. When we say Mia is rosy-cheeked, it means her cheeks have a lovely pink and healthy glow. Her face is innocent-looking, which means she looks very pure and kind, without any tricks or deceit. She's expressive, showing her feelings and thoughts clearly on her face, like a canvas for her emotions. Mia's hair is whimsical, meaning it's imaginative and a bit different, like she's living in a playful world. Her eyes are sparkling, which means they shine very brightly, just like stars in the night sky. Lastly, she's petite, meaning she's small and delicately sized, just like a tiny fairy. All right, here comes our next character. Meet Kaydyn, a teenager whose appearance reflects the vibrant combination of youth and athletic zeal. His fresh-faced complexion radiates energy and vitality. With tousled hair that speaks of countless hours on the sports field, his athletic build is the epitome of toning and fitness. Kaydyn's eyes, both determined and vigorous, mirror his commitment to his athletic endeavors, setting him apart as a true sports enthusiast. Let's explore the words we've used to describe Kaydyn. When we say Kaydyn has a fresh-faced complexion, it means his skin looks young and full of energy. With his tousled hair, it means his hair is a bit messy, but in a cool way, probably from all the time he spends playing sports. His body is athletic, which means he looks fit and strong, like someone who enjoys sports. Kaydyn's eyes are determined, showing he's very focused and has a strong will. Vigorous means they look lively and energetic. All these words describe Kaydyn as a true sports enthusiast, someone who loves and is dedicated to sports. Now, let's move on to describe Michelle. Sophistication defines Michelle's appearance in her adulthood and professional setting. Her polished complexion exudes an air of authority, perfectly complemented by her sleek, sophisticated hair. Michelle's sharp eyes convey a sense of poise, and her statuesque build, while elegant, mirrors her professionalism. In the corporate world, Michelle stands out not only for her knowledge, but also for her graceful and authoritative appearance. Now, let's dive into the words we use to describe Michelle. When we say sophistication defines Michelle's appearance, it means she looks very elegant and refined. Polished complexion here means it looks smooth and well-groomed. Her hair is sleek, which means it's smooth and shiny, without any frizz or mess. Sophisticated means displaying a refined and worldly style. Her eyes are sharp, indicating that they look clear and intelligent. Poised means she looks composed and ready. Michelle has a statuesque build, which means she's tall and has a commanding presence. Authoritative means having a commanding and confident presence. Next, we'll move on to describe James. Meet James, an individual whose older age exudes timeless style and distinguished elegance. His distinguished complexion has weathered the years with grace, revealing a wealth of life experiences. James' refined silvered hair is a testament to his fashion sense, and his regal eyes reflect a lifetime of wisdom. His classic, stately build and impeccable fashion choices make him a true fashion icon, showcasing how style knows no age limit. Let's dive into these vocabulary for James. Timeless means he looks eternally fashionable and elegant, never going out of trend. Distinguished means he stands out as someone extraordinary. His weathered appearance refers to his rich life experiences. And his refined silvered hair means it has turned silver or gray with age, but still looks refined and sophisticated. Regal is used to describe his eyes, which means displaying a majestic and royal demeanor. Lastly, his stately build, meaning he possesses an impressive presence, similar to a classic work of art. So we've explored the magic of words and how they can paint vivid portraits of individuals at different stages of life. From the innocence of childhood, the vigor of youth, and the sophistication of adulthood to the timeless elegance of older age. We've celebrated the diversity of human appearance. Now, it's your turn to make these words your own. My call to action is simple but powerful. Practice, practice, practice. Don't just keep these words in your mental vocabulary bank. Use them in your daily life. Describe people you meet, the characters in books, or even the celebrities you see on TV. The more you use these words, the more they become a natural part of your own vocabulary. Remember, it's not just about using fancy words. It's about adding depth and richness to your descriptions. So start adding these advanced adjectives into your conversations, essays, or even storytelling. Share your experience in the comments below, and let's create a community of learners who celebrate the beauty of language. Thank you once again for joining me today. Keep exploring, keep learning, and I'll see you next week for another English lesson. Bye for now.